Hi guys, it's your boy Christian Omeje of Optic Digital Hub, and today in this new video I'll be showing you how to spy on your competitors on Facebook. Okay guys, so like I said, in this video I'll be showing you how to spy on your competitors on Facebook so that you can model their ads and make your own ads perform much more better. But before we move into the tutorial for today fully, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, now will be the right time to do so. So just click on the subscribe button below and also click on the bell icon so you get notified whenever I drop new videos like this. And also don't forget to comment so you give this video a boost on the YouTube algorithm. So that being said, let me show you how you can spy on your competitors on Facebook. So the first thing you need to do, go to your browser and search for ads library. As you can see, just type ads library on your Google search and just click on it. It's going to open this page, and the first link right here is what you should click, ads library. Just click on it. So this ad library was given to us by Facebook themselves. So this is not like a tool that was created by anybody. It was given to us by Facebook directly for we to look at other pages that are running ads and see how their own ads are positioned, for we to learn something from them and model their own style of ads to make our own perform much more better. So as you can see directly from this place, they say the ads library provides advertising transparency by offering a comprehensive, searchable collection of all ads currently running on the Facebook platform, something like that. So as you can see, so in order to start checking out what other people are doing on Facebook, the kind of ads that are running on Facebook, this is how you do it right here. So as you can see, you can select any country right here that you would like to see the page that they are running their ads to, because you know when running ads, some pages run ads to different countries, specific countries. So you can say you want to check pages that are running ads to Nigerians, Albanians, Australians, or Brazilians. It just depends on you. Or you can just choose worldwide, or you can see as you say all here, you can just choose all. And this ad category, what you can do, just click on it and choose all. So as if you're trying to check for pages running ads such as issues concerning election or politics, but I don't think you might want to do something like that. So you just click on all ads. Then as you can see right here now is where you type the name of the page that you want to spy on, or you want to check out the kind of ads that they are running. So before you type any page right here, probably you might already have some page you have noticed that are running the kind of ads that you might want to run, or maybe they are into the same kind of business that you do. So you might want to check out if they are running ads on Facebook, so you can see the type of ad that are running and see what you can learn from their own ads. Okay, let's say for example you want to see the kind of ads that companies like Jumia are running on Facebook. So let's say you want to copy their style of running ads, so you can come here and type Jumia. So I'm going to just type Jumia so you see. As you can see now we have Jumia. So you look at the page properly to be sure you're trying to click on the right one. So if you look at the first one, it shows Jumia Egypt, but I'm in Nigeria. I would like to see the one that is in Nigeria, so I'll click on this one that says jumia.com.ng, this second one right here. So as you can see, this page is going to be brought to you right here, and as you can see, it's going to show you both their Facebook and Instagram, like the ads that are running both on Facebook and Instagram. So from here you can see even their likes. That is the followers on their Facebook page, the followers on their Instagram page. As you can see, their page is confirmed and all those things. So now what you want to focus on is the ads. As you can see, ads from Jumia. Now if you see they say 140 results, what does it mean? It means that Jumia is running 140 ads in total. So amazing. So every day they are running 140 ads or more. So now if you look at it, they say similar regions, but we are only targeting the one for Nigeria, but they're trying to show us Morocco, Egypt, Cote d'Ivoire, and Ghana, but we are talking about Nigeria right here. So as you can see now, these are the ads that are running on Jumia NG page, that is Jumia Nigeria page. So as you can see, most of these ads that I are seeing right here were launched in September 2021. So as you can see, this one is active. It started running 23rd September 2021. As you can see the date that they started running these ads. So now if you look at these ads right here, you can learn one or two from these ads. So what this Facebook ads library shows you is like the creative aspect of Facebook ads. How you can position your creative, such as your picture, the photo you are using, the copy, your ad copy that you are using for your ads. So it's not going to show you the kind of people that they are targeting on Facebook. So as you can see right here, you can look at their ad copy and say, okay, let me learn this style of ad copy. So you say, okay, you just want to do a 2-line ad copy and put your link. Maybe just probably model something like this. This is something very simple. And the ad creative is just so easy. I think they are trying to sell these shoes that this girl is putting on right here. So the ad creative is so amazing, it's captivating, and the ad copy is just very little and straight to the point. Once anyone clicks on this link right here, from the ads, it's going to take them to probably their e-commerce landing page or e-commerce store where someone can probably buy the shoe. So if you look at others now, they are trying to sell blender right here. They're trying to sell Indomie and a whole lot of them. So here they're trying to sell Nivea. So we all know that Jumia is an e-commerce platform and they sell various type of product on their platform. So they can do adverts for different kind of products. So as you can see here, they're trying to sell a Nivea cream. They're trying to sell a shoe. They're trying to sell a blender. So different type of ads. So you can copy one or two. You might be selling a shoe. So you can say, okay, let you use this type of creative. So as you can see, these are all you can copy from them. These are all you can model from them. As you can see now, they are selling this watch and this bracelet right here. So you can copy something like that. And what also you can look at is the way they set up their ads right here, the call to action on their ads. As you can see right here, they are using shop now, because if anyone clicks here, that person is going to be redirected to their shop page on their website. And as you can see, the way they positioned this right up right here, this headline right up right here, it's so straight to the point and looks cool. And one thing you can notice also is that from this ad now, you see this ad is running on Facebook, is running on Instagram, is running on Audience Network, and is running on Messenger. So someone can also send them a message for this ad. So they duplicated the creative to show on different platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and a host of them. So that is it, as you can see. So just scroll down and you see all of them right here. You can copy from any of this model. You can model anything from here. As you can see, this is for selling a laptop, I guess. So all of them is just so amazing. So you can now search for others. Okay, so let me say in my own niche, which is like the make money online niche, I have somebody that I would like to check out the way he runs his ad. So I might just search him. So somebody came to my head, such as his name is Russell Brunson. So as you can see, let me check out if he's running an ad on his page. So as you can see, this is so amazing right here. Russell Brunson is running 330 ads. So amazing. 330 different ads on his page. So let me say, okay, I want to model something like this. As you can see, they're using a video here. So as you can see. Okay. So as you can see, so amazing. So I can look at what he has done here, his ad copy, and try to look at it. So you can even click on this see details right here, see ad details. It's going to show you the full version of the ads. If I click here, it's going to open up the ad copy, and as you can see, this is so amazing. So if I click on this learn more, as you can see, the call to action that they are using is learn more. I can even look at the kind of way that they design their landing page to be able to see what I can learn from their landing page to run mine, to set up my own landing page. As you can see, the funnel script, something like that. So as you can see, I can say, okay, maybe I want to create a landing page like this. I'll model something from this landing page. Okay, I want my own landing page to look something like this. And I'll just do is that I'll model from them, because these guys are the top guys in marketing. Most of the things that they do actually really work. So I can say, okay, I will model this thing the same way that they are doing it. So as you can see, this button right here, this PNG button is just hovering for me to click on it, for me to play this video. So if I play it right here, as you can see, there's an opt-in form for me to first of all fill in my name and email before I have access to watch that video. So all these things are what you can learn from spying on these people. That is why we call it spying. You are checking out what they are doing. So you might never see this ad on your Facebook, but with this Facebook ads library right now, you are able to see these ads on your Facebook. So you can just check out for different pages. As you can see, all these ads are so amazing. I can really learn something from them. I can model a whole lot from all these ads. So amazing. I didn't even know that this guy runs this amount of ad on his page. Only a few have seen. I've not seen all these ads. Only a few have seen. So that is it, guys. Ensure that you try to know the people in your niche so you can target them properly. So let me say there was a product I was trying to order for pets, and I stumbled on this website. So I wrote their name down so I can also show you. So their name is something like this. So I guess this is their page. And what they sell, as you can see, they're running only one ads. They sell this product which is used for cleaning the fingers of a dog. So as you can see right here, so I can open up their landing page and also see the way they set up their landing page. These guys are Nigerian people selling this stuff. Their landing page is a very straight to the point landing page. As you can see, stress-free pet nail grooming at home. And you can learn from them, you can model them, you can see what they are doing, the way they set up their landing page. What can you learn? As you can see, so this is how you can actually spy on your competitors based on the creative aspect. So based on the creative aspect, this is how you can spy on your competitors. Look at the kind of creative that they are using for their ads. What type of images are they using? How is their video displayed? How do they set up their link? As you can see their ad copy right here. Get yours here, and they put their link. So you can say, okay, let you test this type of ad copy, and they put the shop now button. If I click here, see details, as you can see, this is it. So that's just how it works. So amazing. So what you can do is that whenever you're browsing on Facebook and you see a Facebook page, you can actually save their ads. So let me show you how to save ads on Facebook. So let me go to facebook.com. So what you do is just save that ad for next time so that you can check the kind of ads that they are running properly. You can check the kind of ads that they are running, all the ads that they are running on that page. So now let me just scroll down on my Facebook page, so you will see on my Facebook profile, so you will see an ad. So I can find an ad right here as I scroll down. So okay, this is a company, Zyro. They are running an ad. So I can click on these three dots right here. And once it comes up, I'm going to click on save video. So once I click on save video, you're going to ask you to choose where you want to save it. So as you can see, I've named mine Ad Spy. This is where I spy on many ads. I save a lot of ads there and I spy on them. So I just click on Ad Spy. You can create your own. It's new collection. They call it a new collection. You just save it. I've already saved it right there. So if you intend to check out your saved ads or saved posts, you just click saved right here. On mobile, you can also see it as saved. So as you can see, this is it right here. So amazing. So what I can do right now is for me to search for their page. So I'm just going to copy the name of their page. So I'm going to copy it and go back to my ads library and paste it right there, and see the kind of ads that they are running. As you can see, this is them, 22,000 followers. So I'm going to click on them. As you can see, they are running 22 ads, but what did I see? I only came in encounter with just one ad, but right here now I can see that their page is running 22 ads, and they even have different branches. They have Brazil, India, Lithuania, Poland, and the rest. But this is the one showing for me in my country, Nigeria. So as you can see, I can say, let me model this style of ads. So amazing. So this is a video right here. Okay, this is an effect video. So you can look at all these, save different pages, look at their ads, check out the kind of ads that they are running. What are they doing? Are they doing something you are not doing? How are they setting up their creative? How are they setting up their ad copy? What call to action are they using? As you can see, this one, they are using a get offer call to action. So they are talking about building your own website, and so on and so forth. So this is just so amazing. This tool right here is what I've been using to know the way to position my ad most times I want to run ads. So let me say a client meets me, I want to run a certain type of ad. I can begin to look at the way that some companies are running their ad and say, okay, let me model something like this and set up for my own and see how it performs. And most times it goes well, because most of these people have spent a lot of money on ads and they have seen that this type of ad work. So it's not a bad idea for me too to also model what they are doing and see how it works out for me. So that is it, guys, for this video. If you enjoyed this video, ensure that you subscribe to the channel. Give the channel a support by clicking on the subscribe button, and also click on the bell icon to turn on the notification so you get notified whenever I drop amazing new videos just like this. So go out there, test out this tool, spy on your competitors. There's nothing bad in spying. Spy on your competitors, see what they are doing that you are not doing, and implement so you can make your ads perform much better. So thank you guys for staying to the end and watching this video. I appreciate you all. See you guys next time.